Something that you can do to make your website look a little bit more interesting is rounding the corners of your images. I find with a lot of clients, especially lately, they favor a softer look throughout their site. So they'll want rounded sections, they'll want rounded images, they want softer sans serif fonts. Like there's just this push for less harsh websites. So what I'm going to do in this video really quickly is show you how to take, I guess, the first step and start rounding the images, rounding the corners of your images. So all you got to do is, find a page. Let's say you've got an image already on there, and you're going to want to double click, hit design, and under corner radius here, you can give it a curve. So you can see just like this. And what I'll do is I'll create a new section, and I'll show you basically how to add the image first. So add a block, add an image, and this is how it will start life. So we'll drag this image, maybe drag it down here, and then we're going to add one in. So you can upload a file from your computer, or you can browse stock imagery. So I'll just put barbecue in here, and we'll use this one as an example. So click, that's going to upload, and then you don't have to do this, but what I like to do with a lot of my images is click edit and design and fill like this. Then what I can do is I can move this behind the text and maybe move that up one more, and there we go. So double click, design, corner radius, and you can give it, maybe let's give this even more of a corner radius. So 30 px, and you can see it's looking really good. What you can also do is have more granular control over the corners. So you can do this one, and you can see each corner has its own radius. So let's say the bottom corners, I didn't want to have any radius. Then you could do this. Now, a use case for this would be, let's say the section beneath was a different color. So I'll change the color to yellow in this case. And what we can do is we can sit that flush on the bottom of the section. And you can see if I hit save and just come out, down here, it sits on the bottom of the section. That would look weird if all corners were curved. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.